I'm low-key freaking out right now. I'm freaking out. Like, oh my gosh, I'm about to do this. My ears are red. When my ears are red, that's when you know I'm nervous. Like, I'm even starting to shake just a little. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm cutting my hair off. I am cutting my hair off. I'm actually not just cutting my hair and then throwing it away. I am donating it to a great cause. I'm donating it to Pantene Beautiful Lengths. What they do is they donate hair to women who are going through cancer or they have alopecia. If you don't know what alopecia is, it's where you have a disease where your hair just randomly starts falling out and you just lose all of your hair. So instead of me just cutting my hair, just going to a salon, or just cutting my hair at home, which is what I've been doing for 2 years now, I've decided that I'm going to cut my hair and donate it to someone, to a woman who is more in need of my hair than I am. I am beyond sick of my hair. I have had long hair forever. Last time I had short hair, it was about up to here. It was very short. Was right before 5th grade. I was so sick of it. I just cut all my hair off because it was like the start of the school year, and in Arizona it's really, really warm and hot, and my hair just kept sticking to the back of my neck, and I said, you know what, that's enough. That's it. I just want it off, and I hated it then because the hairstylist did it in a way that I didn't want it done. So I was like really upset about it, but I'm going to do it myself, and I'll show you how long my hair is. My hair is so long, like really, really, really long. I have to have it up in a bun all day, every day for work. I'm a chef, you have to have your hair up, but even when I'm home, I wear my hair up because I'm just so sick of it. It's heavy, it's long, it doesn't have body, it just drags my face down, and I'm ready for something new. It's a new year. Oh my god. In order to donate to Pantene Beautiful Lengths, you have to donate 8 inches or more. Your ponytail, braid, whatever you decide to keep your hair all together in, cannot be wet, cannot be damp, cannot be anything. It has to be completely dry. So I have air dried my hair, so when I go to put it in little ponytails, it's not going to get moldy and disgusting, and by the time they get it, they have to throw it out. People complain that when they donate their hair, they get a message saying, oh, my hair was thrown out, or they didn't need it, and that was just such a waste, and the charities don't do what they say they're going to do and whatnot. You have to really follow and go with their guidelines. If you don't, then your hair is going to get thrown out. So I have done everything that is needed, and like I said, never dye my hair. If you have dyed your hair, they won't accept it. If more than 5% of your hair is gray or silver or white, they won't accept it. It has to just be completely natural, and that's what my hair is. I've been told that my hair is beautiful and that anyone would be lucky to have it, so I'm gonna donate it. Another thing I'd like to say is, in no way am I a professional. If you don't feel comfortable cutting your hair at home, don't. Don't necessarily go by what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm not a licensed hairstylist by any means, but I've been watching enough tutorials for a long time to where I feel comfortable in cutting my own hair. Just a disclaimer, because I don't want you guys going by with what I'm doing and then all of a sudden you cut it and it doesn't go the way that you want it. So just putting that out there. I am not trained in any way, manner, or whatever. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you'd like to see me chop off my hair, then just keep on watching. going to start by parting my hair in the middle, and then I'm going to just follow it all the way down, just so when I cut my hair it's even on both sides. I do not like parting my hair in the middle. I don't think it looks good. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair in 2 pigtails, ponytails, whatever you want to call it, just to make it easier to make that big chop. Okay, so I have it in 2 ponytails now. I'm not cutting it this short. This is just so I can make an easier guideline for myself. And to cut my hair, I'm going to be using scissors that are used for cutting hair. So I'm going to be cutting my hair about medium length, and for me that's short. I've had long hair forever. I think that's a good length right there. Nice and short, but not too short. I can still put it up in a ponytail. So now I'm just bringing it together to make sure that I am the same length. I'm seriously so nervous. Oh my god. I can't do this, but I can. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, my hair's so short now. This is so much harder. They make it look so easy. I have thick hair. Oh my god. That is the most uneven cut. Oh my god. I like it this short. I think it looks good. Okay, now I'm not nervous anymore. But that is so much hair. Like, what? It's going to a good cause. Okay. Now to cut to the other side. I did it! And now, so now to take it out. That is so short. That is seriously so short for me. But I love it. Oh my god. This seriously feels so weird. I have like no hair. But I can still put it in a little ponytail, which is good. I don't think I'm going to put any layers in it because like I kind of want it to be one length, I guess. Sorta. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to section my hair off like you would if you're doing a half up, half down gig. That's even-ish. My head feels so much lighter already. I don't have to do my big messy buns anymore. I can literally just throw my hair in a ponytail and just go to work. Like, that's gonna be so nice. And it looks cute. So I'm gonna make it so it's not so harsh and choppy looking. So I'm just going to take my hair in sections and just kind of flip it upside down and just chop at it, and then chop at the ends so it doesn't look so harsh. See how it kind of made a difference? pretty good start as to it being even and the edges not being so harsh. You're just going back and forth with trimming up the ends so it doesn't look like you made a harsh chop like we did. You can just keep going again and again and again until you like it to where you want to be. So far I like it, and I'm just going to keep layering. And we're just going to do another layer. Until we have everything blended together. Okay, I'm on the last layer. Going to take this front section, so there's like a little body to it, besides it being just straight. And I'm going to take a section of it, and I'm going to sort of angle it so it's like a bang, but I don't want bangs. And I'm just going to cut at an angle. And then I'm going to go back in and just clean up the harsh edges. And at this point, since we've been trimming up the edges, everything's pretty clean. Now, okay, that is it for the cutting my hair portion. I'm going to curl it, give it some body, give it some curl, because right now it looks like kapow. So I'm gonna curl my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I think it looks so cute. It's a little shorter than I thought I was gonna cut it, but it's hair. It'll grow back. I can still put it up in a ponytail. We're good. If necessary, I can just, you know, braid it, whatever. And I have a hairnet, and I can just, you know. I think it's so cute, though. I have not had short hair since 5th grade. Like, this for me is so short, but I love it. And my hair is going to a good cause, someone who is in need of hair more so than me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this huge event. I would say huge, big change step for me personally. I'm so happy I did it. I think this is a great start to the year, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. And I hope to catch you guys on the next video. Bye.